Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. This Thanksgiving, let's give some more gratitude. Let's show some more gratitude. And the best way to do this is to maintain a gratitude journal. What I've done is I've created a gratitude journal Miro template, which you can see on your screen right now. I'll paste the link in the description to have a look at it yourself. Now, the beauty of this template is that if you have Miro account and if multiple people have Miro account, you can just all share and use the same template, or you can even export this template as a PDF. And I have some examples over here which are exported, and this is what the PDF would look like. Now, the template itself is quite simple. You have the template to start with, and then an example that I've provided. You start by entering your date. So today's date is something. So if you're watching this in November, when Thanksgiving actually is, you might want to write that particular date. And then what you do is you just doodle something that makes you happy. You can this is your worksheet. Do what you wish, doodle what you wish, something that makes you happy, something that you're feeling right now. Next, you can use this particular cursor and move it around to the face that expresses how you're feeling today. So this is a whole spectrum. So again, it's very private. It is private to you. So it is just a reflective or self-reflection of what you're feeling today. So you can drag the cursor onto the face that corresponds to the emotion that you're feeling. And then finally, what am I grateful for today? There's multiple lines provided. Again, very private. So feel free to write all the things that you are grateful for today. And then once you've filled it out, keep it as a self-reflection that on this particular date, this is what I was feeling today. If you would like to do this multiple times, multiple days every day, you can do that as well. Or if you just want to do it every Thanksgiving, you can do that as well. So that's your Miro template, and then of course you can export it as a PDF, and that becomes a PDF template as well, which you can print it out and actually physically write it on paper. So that's a couple of your options. And to use this template, you can just click on the blue Use Template button, or you can drop down and click on one of the templates where one of the Miro boards where you want to copy the template across to. So that was the gratitude journal. Hope you liked this video. Do find the link to this particular template in the description of this video. Do comment down below what you think of this template, and also comment down below what are you most grateful for today. I want to hear what are you most grateful for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there's heaps of more videos coming out on this channel. So do stay tuned, and I'll see you in another video. That was it. I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.